Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Taylor or Dolly the Rebel if you are new, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are doing a City Girls inspired look. So I started off with my brows done. I used the Andrea Cosmetics pomade and the Louise Base in Rumor number 3, and the pomade is in dark brown as well. And I am using the Desi X Katie Dose of Colors Collab Friendcation palette, and I will list all of the shade names in the description bar. I do get them confused pretty frequently, even when I try to pull it up online, so I'm gonna make sure I leave all of the shade names in the description bar. But I am taking a light brown shade to start off with and just putting that all over the lid, and now I'm taking a slightly darker shade and just buffing that in. So I am just layering these colors on top of each other just to give myself some depth and warmth in the eye socket, and we're just going to blend that out. And the key to every makeup look, no matter if it is foundation, contour, highlight, you want to blend, blend, blend. And then I am just taking the lighter shade in the palette and putting that on the brow bone and just making sure I'm blending out all the harsh lines. And now I'm going to take the Colourpop X Shayla Perception palette, and I'm using this green shadow. Again, I'll list the color name of the palette in the description bar. I do not recall the name of the palette, and I am just taking that and I'm going to spray it with Fix Plus, and I'm just going to kind of buff that shade in. It is a shimmer shade, but I'm going to buff that into the eye.
That's that UE, boy.
Alright, you guys, so I'm taking some more Fix Plus, and what I did was I actually went back into the Desi X Katie Dose of Colors collab palette, and there is a green, like glitter shade, glitter green shade. It's green, but it has like chunks of gold glitter in it, reflex, as you can see, and it took the look to a whole different level. I forgot it was in that palette. So but yes, I just layered the colors. The greens are very similar, but this one had more gold reflex just to help the eyeshadow stand out. And now I am just going back into the Friendcation palette, taking the darkest brown shade in the palette. I'm sorry, not the darkest brown, the second lightest brown shade in the palette, and I'm just going to pretty much buff that brown back in. I want to create a nice fade, and just add a little bit of smokiness to it, but not too much where it's dramatic. And now I'm just going to line my eyes with my Givenchy Felt tip liner. I believe this is in Disturbia. And I'm just going to line my lash line. I'm not doing a wing liner. I want to keep it very simple and very classic. and very easy. So when I pop on the lashes, you just won't be able to see, you won't be able to see the band, or the glue when it dries as well. So you want to make sure that is flawless. And then I'm taking this Morphe green liner and I'm going to line my waterline. Now y'all don't clock me. I already know like the whole situation with Morphe. I've been had this brush since like November for a Christmas theme look that I did, and that's when I bought it. So, but I spent my money already. Gotta use what we have. Alright, you guys, so I did film my foundation for this particular video, but I cut it out just because I did record a foundation highlight and contour video in detail, as well. So that's going to be posted, so I'll just put it in the card in the upper right hand corner and you guys can watch that if you're interested. So I am just going in with the Mary Kay dark chocolate lip liner, and I'm just going to line my lips and fill in the corners. And then this lip gloss here, I actually got it from my manufacturers from my cosmetic line. They sent me some samples when they sent in my last batch of product, so I just wanted to give that a try. It was kind of thick, which I didn't mind. Like after you blend it out, it was cool. So I just press your lips, blend it out, all of that good stuff. I do like the color, so I may add that to my cosmetic line. We'll see. I definitely have to talk to them and get some details about it, try it out some more, see how I like the formula and the wear, because I did eat after this video, so it kind of went fast. So I'm just highlighting my face with the Dust of Colors highlighter in Fuego, of course from the Desi X Katie collection. And you just want to make sure you hit the high points of your face where the sun would naturally hit you. So like near your forehead, down the bridge of your nose, or cupid's bow. And I typically just like to highlight my chin. So now I'm going back into the Colourpop Shayla palette, the Perception palette, and I took the brown shade out of the palette. Again, I'll have the names listed down below. It does have some pink reflex in that brown as well, but I just put that underneath my waterline just to add a little bit of depth to the look. Of course, we just don't want a green liner in the waterline. We do want to add a little bit more smokiness, make sure everything is blended out, just have different layers to the look. So I just threw that in there as well. And going in with some powder foundation. This is in Bronze 1 by Mary Kay, and I just always use a powder foundation just to set everything, to blend anything out. I know sometimes like blush can be very harsh, contours can be very harsh, highlights can be very harsh, and just you want to tone it down a little bit or just blend everything together. So even if you take pictures with the flash, so it helps with the flashback too. So I'm just taking that, putting that all over my face, dusting and buffing it into the skin. For the lashes, I believe I got these lashes from Sephora. I don't remember the name or the number for them, but they are just $10 from Sephora. And they are the Sephora Collection brand, and I'm just going to pop those on. I did use my Duo lash glue. That's the only lash glue that I use. So yeah, I'm just going to pop those on.
That's that UE, boy.
Alright, you guys, and that is pretty much it for this look. I'm just finishing off with some MAC Fix Plus setting spray, and I did recurl my hair and just did some final touch-ups, nothing too major off camera. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope you like this video, and have a city girl summer. Bye.